Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, we are going to be learning how to sign up for Hill Climb Racing 2. So in order to do that, first of all, go ahead and open up your Google Play Store or your App Store and then download the Hill Climb Racing 2 application. Once you have the app installed, go ahead and launch it open and you will see this kind of an interface. Go through the tutorial, and once you see this interface, simply tap on the gear button on the top right corner. This will bring up the settings menu. Now simply go ahead and tap on the FSID Connect to Cloud button over here, and you can then go ahead and register for your Fingersoft ID first. If you don't have an account yet for Fingersoft ID, go ahead and tap on register and enter a valid email address. After doing so, re-enter the email once again in the next field. If you want to receive news and updates from Fingersoft, tap on this little square box at the bottom. If not, leave it unchecked and click on register. Now you'll receive a verification code sent to your registered email. Go ahead and open up your email inbox and type in the code that is sent to you via your email. After you do that, go ahead and type down the code and then click on submit. You will then need to go ahead and create a profile name for your Fingersoft ID. After doing so, click on finish and your Fingersoft ID registration is completed. Click on OK, and now you have signed up to Hill Climb Racing 2 using Fingersoft ID. So that is how it's easily done. Now by signing up for Hill Climb Racing 2, you are ensuring that all of your progress is saved, making it easier to continue playing across multiple devices without losing your data. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.